What's up, my LoRyders? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official LoRyder. You guys, for some reason, I don't know why I cannot keep my closet clean. Y'all see what it's looking like? Just everything is everywhere. So I'm going to clean it out. I really don't feel like it, but I just can't take it. I think that's why I can't sleep sometimes at night, because I know it's a big mess in there. But look at that. I'm going to get it together. And the closet ain't that big anyway. I'm going to start by taking all those shoes that's in those bags, in that bag, or those bags, out of the closet. I'm just putting everything in my bedroom. I should have gave you guys a shot of how that looked with all the stuff in there, but that's what I'm doing right now. Taking all the shoes out, and then I'm going to take the clothes off of the rack, and then put my shoe organizer bins that's on the shelf. I think it'll look better that way. So watch me while I do this, you guys. Bags in there, you guys. And I haven't used one of them in a very long time. Yep. About 90, I'll say 90% of them are designer bags, and about 10% are dupes. So, but still, you know, you spend money on nice bags. I have them in bins. But I could have stacked them on the shelf, but then it was so cluttered on the shelf that I put them in the bins because they were just everywhere. But I'm going to get better. Wait till you guys see my new closet and my new house. You guys, you going to be like, dang, Lo, you ain't got no problem with storing stuff. Now you got a lot of room. Watch. But still, I have to get this together because it was just too much. But I was going to take those shelves off and put them down on the bottom. But I said, no, I'm not going to. I just left them right there because it's a lot of them. One time, my older son said, you probably got $2,000 worth of purses. Boy, please. One of them purses is over $2,000. Anyway, let me finish cleaning this up, you guys. I'm just trying to get this done. Look, I got shoes that's not in boxes. And also, you guys, I have some of my stuff in my husband's closet. And his closet is not that bad. It's directly across from my closet right now. And then I also I had some clothes in the guest bedroom, but somebody's occupying my guest bedroom, so I had to take my stuff out of there. But right now, I'm just taking my clothes out, the winter clothes out, and taking them in the guest room. I made some room for my stuff, you guys, and that's where I always swap my winter clothes and my summer clothes. So I'm putting it on that rack. I'm going to slide that rack in the other room and put it in the closet there, which will give me room for my summer stuff. Now, I ain't going to say I'm about to clean my husband's side of the closet out, and it's not even really his stuff that's in there. When I said I'm letting somebody use my guest room, I had comforters. I have a problem with buying comforters, you guys. I'm addicted to buying comforters. So I had a bunch of comforters in there. So all the comforters that were in there, I have them on the shelf in my husband's room, and then I bought pillowcases, sheets, and I have those in bags in my husband's closet. So round two. Yeah, that's going to be easy to do because all I need to do is get some more storage bins. And I want some clear ones. Yeah, I want clear ones so I can label it. And I'm not buying any more. I'm lying, y'all. I'm lying. I'm just going to tell a blatant lie. I'm going to slow down on buying comforters. That's why when you guys see me redo my room, it's always something different because I have so many comforters. But right now, I'm working on my closet. And I feel like quitting right now. I really do feel like quitting right now. I'm sweating. I thought I turned the air conditioner on, but I actually turned the heater on. Y'all, look. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I'm glad I took those shoe storage. You see them, but I'm putting up there the shoe storage containers off the floor and on the shelf because I had the clothes down there and I could never see the shoes. So they look very, 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 very good on the shelf right there. I like that. What y'all think? Almost done, you guys. Almost done. Had to take those shoes down and find the shoes to put them in the boxes and put some on the shelf. All the shoes that I put in the shoe containers on the shelf right there, I took the boxes and I put them in. I'm putting them in the trash. I'm throwing them away. Don't need them taking up space. You guys, I love this cordless vacuum. It's a Tenetco. Tenetco, if y'all out there, you hear me, send me a new one because I've been having this one for a few years and I'm going to need a new one. Okay? But yeah, after I usually clean my closet, I vacuum the floor and everything. And then when everything is done, I go in and I spray my closet so it smells good, you guys. Yes. You know, I could have put music in this video, and I still might. I don't know. I might. We'll see. You guys don't know if I decide to. I should have said this at the beginning of the video, but hey. Now it's time to bring my spring and summer clothes in, like shorts, dresses, t-shirts, and stuff like that. Okay, I didn't show you guys when I was
I got it done.
Bringing the clothes in, my spring and summer clothes in, and hanging them up.
Shorts like summer stuff.
And
these are
because I had a whole bunch of stuff on my bed, and I had to
and these
fold
are
stuff up,
shoes,
bring stuff in that I want to bring in.
Right here.
Throw a lot of stuff away. I'm gonna donate a lot of stuff to Goodwill or Salvation Army. But here's what it's looking like now with all the clothes in there.
Tennis shoes.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
And this is the
because I didn't enjoy doing
summer dresses.
Okay. There's all my summer dresses,
purses,
you guys, and then
shoes,
the bags that I use the most,
on the floor,
and then the shoes on the bottom, on the floor.
Some of them,
my hats, you guys. You remember I did
then my LA
Vlogmas,
hats,
and each day in Vlogmas I wore different
and cute
hats.
summer bags. I have more summer bags in the bins up there. I ain't messing with that right now, y'all. I'm done. This
it looks way better, you guys. That I'm loving it. I am loving it. Look at that. Look. And that bin to the right. That's just t-shirts and stuff. I don't have any room in my drawers to put them, so yeah.
After.
Look it. I like it. I can walk in now. I can see all my shoes because before they were on the floor in the storage thing, but they were on the floor and couldn't see them. Anyway, I hope you guys like the video. I'm done. This is before. This, and then you'll see after. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And with that being said, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.